Yo, what up? Do you guys want to win my personal Lux X, black and silver, in all of its beauty? You guys have seen it in the videos. It's got the gang decal on top, ready to go. If you guys want to enter to win my Lux X, this is your chance. I am doing a sticker pack release, and they're gonna look like this, and they're all gonna be random. And how it's gonna work is, just like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, I'm doing a golden ticket. If you receive the gang hand, the golden one, within your sticker pack, you win the Lux X. Plain and simple. So make sure you guys head over to www.ronniedizon.com. Grab yourself a sticker pack. There's only 100 of them, and there's no limit to how many of them you could buy, and hopefully you guys win. Oh, and by the way, consolation, if you get a silver sticker, I'm giving away a brand new, let me get this to focus, a brand new HK MagTech pack. So good luck to everybody, and gang, let's get it going. I want to say a special shout out to Magic Mike for making this all possible. He is the man behind all the scenes. He doesn't want to be put in the spotlight, but I do have to put him out there and say thank you so much, man, for making these giveaways possible. And without you, you know, I wouldn't be able to do some of these things. So thank you so much for your support, man.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.
Guys, it's 17 degrees Fahrenheit. I am not prepared. I'm wearing fucking Crocs. It's so cold. I can't wait for spring or traveling somewhere warm like California. Today we're heading to Power Paintball to do drills. I just hope they have a heater. What's crazy about the location of this place is it's literally in the middle. There's an enchanted castle here, which is kind of like a restaurant entertainment place. There's a Jewel, and then there's a paintball field. Like, to me, this is like, usually paintball fields are like in the middle of nowhere. This is really cool to see a paintball field in the middle of, like, there's a gym over here and there's like a grocery store. That's really cool to me. So let's go inside. Let's see what it's like. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the field. And then we got the boys here. They're all here.
What's up?
The field's right out here. It's kind of cool. Kind of exciting to be at an indoor field that feels like Chuck E. Cheese. What do you think? All right, he's got like no thoughts or anything.
Ooh, let's go. Wait, hold up, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the lion's den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they maiden, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She look me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving all my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get better, I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence, yeah, confidence. That's me. Hold up. Yeah. I'm sorry if I stutter. Yeah. My brain move a little faster than others. Yeah. I even keep a close eye on my brothers, cause sometimes it's your blood that turn into blood suckers. Yeah. And I'm on a big mission. My whole team got a plate up in the kitchen, yeah. I'm talking everything, I make all the fixings, yeah. They come a long way from where they come up missing. I blame it on my confidence, yeah. Promise I'm really this astonishing. And yeah, you're now viewing the greatest of all time. No need to thank you, the pleasure is all mine.
All right, we're all done here. We had a really good drill session. We're gonna get some food and we're gonna go visit one of my friends, Phil Schroeder. He lives right down the street, which is kind of convenient. But today was good. You know, just worked on mechanics, snap shooting. Shout out to Ryan for the footage. Thanks, man. And yeah, that's our day today. It's nice to have an indoor place like Power Paintball. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram right here. Okay, see you later. Hi to Mike Munger.
What up?
Say bye.
Bye.
Demon dog.
Yo, what's good? Yo, get me out of, dude. Get me out of the vlog,
Look
dude.
at him. Look at this guy,
What's
dude.
up, boys?
He's in the zone,
Yo,
dude.
chill, puppy.
We got the biggest dog in the
Chill, Hades. Hades, relax.
He's huge,
Relax.
dude.
It's okay. No, he's a big boy. Chill. Guard can break my PC with his tail, dude. That's good, boys.
Kyle.
What's up, baby?
What's up, dude?
Gang, gang. What
Hey, make
up?
sure you guys follow him on Twitch
Follow me, dude. Shredder Slays. What's up, baby?
and his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Look,
Go
he's
Shreds.
getting Warzone does all day.
Yeah, dude. You know, we dropped to 21 real quick. You know,
Oh, look at that.
you know, some light work. You know.
I knew it.
Yeah, we
Look
getting
at
it.
this guy.
What's good, baby?
Z-Hill in the building. We got the cage. You moved your room, dude.
Bro, how are you?
Your room is on.